Good afternoon, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 14, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, we had another kind of like an uptick today. It's pretty nice. We see some kind of like a consolidation, and then today we just got a pop prior CPI announcement tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be very, very important for the market. Market already kind of like a baking the cake that the CPI is coming below expectation or kind of like the same as expectation. And that's kind of like a release for the Federal Reserve and market that Fed potentially is going to bring the rate down, at least cut the rate for 50 points for months of June or even July. So we don't know exactly if it's going to happen, but market just had a hope today and just initiate the upside move nicely. SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF, just traded 48 million. Imagine 48 million today. Yesterday was 36 million, and the other day, like on Monday, we just closed 52 million. Friday, 42 million, and also Thursday, and also Wednesday is gonna be 46 and 52 million. As you see here, pretty light volume. Like market doesn't move based on the volume. Market just going purely based on the price action, and this is kind of like the indication that market is waiting for this CPI announcement. I believe that after CPI announcement, everything is going to be changed, and the normal volume, which is going to be 70, 80, is coming back to the market. But right now, it is very, very light volume. And this week, and I believe that next week is going to be long weekend, short day. Trading days as well, so it's going to be kind of like people are going to vacation as well as starting their pre-summer vacation starting next week. So that's going to be interesting to see how institution is going to play around with the light volume market. Right now, S&P 500 just pretty close to the all-time high. It's kind of like a pretty close to this double top. Everyone is saying this is going to be a double top, and we're going to see another crazy sell-off to the downside, which is, I believe, less likely. So I believe that next buying opportunity is coming specifically when tomorrow or kind of like by end of this week, if market is coming down to test this at 51, 51.50. And that's going to be potentially last chance for the next rally to the upside. I don't wear bear custom now. I will maybe by, let's say, September afterwards, but right now I'm just super bullish for the market. This is coming exactly along with our analysis. So I just keep my positions as is. I don't touch them. I keep myself invested, let's say 99%. If you're my subscriber, you know that how much cash do I own right now. It's kind of like a barely 1%. 99% I'm in stock. And I believe that the summer rally is going to be exponential, a rally to the upside. But macroeconomy is not that good. So we will see how it goes with the market. We will give market benefit of doubt, at least for now, for next 3 months. But after that, we should just be careful. Moving on to Nasdaq, which is kind of like a positive today, 123 points to the upside. Pretty good price action. Stochastic is in up. RSI still is not in overbought condition, which means we just have moved to the higher price. However, a potential downside is going to be just a buying opportunity, if you ask me. So this trend line has been broken to the upside, and we are kind of like challenging this top. If we get above this top, coming back, if there is any pullback, that's going to be minor for a next buying opportunity. The deeper correction, I believe that this is going to be a very, very liable level to get in. So which is going to be 17,800. That's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity, which is going to be 500 below this current level. Right now, I don't see that's going to happen. So we will see how it goes based on tomorrow's market. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow, just a bullish consolidation here. Pretty nice, kind of like a consolidation prior this all-time high. So if it's just consolidating more, this means potential new all-time high is coming for Dow as well down the road. Moving on to gold, which just crazy up today. A pretty nice move to the upside after yesterday's sell-off. Gold, I believe that this is exactly the pattern that I was looking for, and this is what? Consolidation. So gold is consolidating prior this trend line, which gives us a perfect kind of like a scenario for a new all-time high. Is coming at 224.90 or 2500. So that's going to be the scenario that I'm looking for at gold right now. Moving on to silver, which had a kind of like a pop today as well. So silver is just starting going higher. As I said, I don't believe in this stochastic overbought because this means the other indicators are going to catch up. And also stochastic by itself doesn't tell us exactly if we are in overbought or oversold. When all indicators, when price action goes to a perfect level for sell, we just pay attention to that one. Right now, I don't, and price action is pretty bullish. We just got oversold condition here, which we bought it just because this is the wide range bar. This is the perfect scenario for buy. So if you just look at that, this is just a back test here in this wide range bar. This is the pivot, and this is the pivot. So when it's stochastic, gives us kind of like a signal, we buy it. But right now, there is no sell because, first of all, this is not a strong resistance here. This is not a strong, it's kind of like a short pullback within this a bullish momentum. And I believe that in a bigger picture, weekly chart tells me that still silver is not waking. And when it goes above this 30 dollar, you should see 32, 35 easily down the road for the silver. Moving on to, let me go to crude, which kind of like gave us kind of like a shake, another one. Let me delete this. So crude is forming a consolidation, and you know what is that? So this is kind of like a bearish consolidation. Also, I just want to say crude is in very, very important level. If it breaks down, I should say crude can go all the way down to this pivotal point, which is 73, $72. So be careful on this. I know I just got a buy signal from it 2, 3 days ago. It doesn't go well. We just got one confirmation. It's just coming back down to test this. It depends on tomorrow. If tomorrow goes down below this pivotal point, I should say crude is ending up to 61 to 65 down the road. So just be careful on this one right now. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just coming down to the 2.13% down, bullish consolidation. There is nothing wrong with this pattern at all. Yield is down today. This is a bearish consolidation, perfectly working out with crude. So this is kind of like exactly the same pattern. If it goes down, I believe that we are just getting down to this 4.60 to 4.53, which tells us CPI is coming down tomorrow, or it's going to be market favorite CPI. I don't know what would be that number, but this is the pattern here is bearish. It's not bullish at all. Treasury, just the optic today. And this is another signal that I'm just getting. So we just recognize this area as a good buying opportunity. We accumulate more treasuries to our positions. Right now, treasury is at 90. I believe that if it goes above 92, we can easily go to 95, 97 and ended up to 103, 105 by end of this year. Treasury can form a very good bullish pattern here. This is kind of like a long ledge, a bull flag. And if it goes higher, we can see the same scale like this. So it can go higher, 103, 105. That's going to be the level that I'm looking for treasury. Moving on to VIX, coming down today, another 1%. VIX told us that potentially we will have some fear in the market, which is going to be a stock market top. But today is coming down. So potentially tomorrow we will have another spike, potentially to 15 and then faded away. That means that was just very short-lived correction. Dixie dollar index is coming down. I believe that this is kind of like a coming along with this bond yield. It can go lower to 103 and even 102. MS magma indicator, it's just coming up today. A pretty good bullish consolidation here. Apple, just the optic today, $1.15 up. Warren Buffett seems like dumping some Apple stocks. Still, I haven't seen his portfolio, but I'm just gonna see when it comes up. So I'm gonna just let you know about that. Uh, we will see. We will see how it goes. Apple is just having a good formation to 190 to 193. Amazon, just optic today, sell off down and then a gap down and then going higher, 187. Meta is higher as well, so 3.84 to the upside. Good price action for Meta. Microsoft, a perfect scenario here. 2.84 bullish consolidation. This is not a QM pattern, folks. We just got already. If it goes, which I believe it's gonna go higher above this eventually. A new all-time high is coming. Google $1.20 up, not a bad price action. Netflix $2.93 down. Bullish consolidation is forming just slightly. Tesla coming back up. So after a pullback, if it goes above 189, which means we are going to go to 200 and Tesla can go higher. Semiconductor index, SMH, a good price action today, just going higher, $3.82. Stocks, the same pattern here, $3.67 up. Taiwan Semiconductor, $5.54 up. Fantastic price action surge to the upside. AMD just forming a pretty nice bottoming here. This is kind of like at the bull flag that I'm just looking for. If it goes above 164, it can go higher easily to 185. NVIDIA, $9.57 up. This is a good bull flag here as well. Texas Instruments, $3.31. Fantastic price action. I want to show you something pretty cool in Texas just because I'm super bullish on it. So look at that. So this is kind of like, let me just squeeze it a bit. And I just want to show you here. This is a trend line for Texas. So this kind of like a semi wedge broken up to the upside. It goes above this pivotal point on a weekly basis. Pullback could be a fantastic buying opportunity. And I believe that lots of higher highs are coming for Texas. So well, we'll see how it goes. But Texas Instrument is in very good shape. No one paid attention on this. We did, myself and subscribers. We bought it when it was here, folks. That was our level, 146 when we bought it. Right now it is at 193, and still we have it. Moving on to Lam Research, $8.75 up today. A good price action today. Still lagging. Moving on to financials. After yesterday hiccup, today they just bounced back up 21 cents up. KBE 54 cents up. KRE 59 cents up. JP Morgan, pretty good price action. New all-time high for JP Morgan, $2.78 and $201.51. This is fantastic. Goldman Sachs, the same here. New all-time high, $4.91 up. Bank of America, 28 cents up today, and a pretty nice price action. Wells Fargo, 63 cents up, and GDXJ, moving on to the gold miners. They just starting going back higher, 45 cents up nicely. GDXJ, 80 cents up. AEM, 89 cents up, and also Newmont, 11 cents up. A pretty good price action. Franco-Nevada of 85 cents up as well. So Google, this is gold. Gold at 21 cents up, and also here we just see a good price action with all of those gold miners. Moving on to XLE, 12 cents up. This is XLE, XOP, sorry, $1.28 up. OIH, $2.83 up. A good price action for energy stocks. Exxon, 24 cents up, gap down, but going back up nicely. And Chevron, 92 cents up, down today. Still lagging, but I believe that these ones are gonna just go higher as well. When crude is getting back to the bullish momentum, these ones are gonna just rocking to the sky. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.